Hey everybody, my name is Michael Brown. I'm the CEO of Swept and bring to you another video for the 21-day challenge on winning your next contract. And this is about picking a niche or picking a target client. And so first I'm going to jump in and tell you why it's important, and then I'm going to tell you some tips on how to do it. So the first thing is like, why is it important to pick a certain type of client? So for example, let's say a dentist office. It's important to go through that because it allows you to target them. So when we're going through and giving you tips and tricks on cold call scripts and on emails and different ways to communicate to them, if you just have a generic, open-ended conversation with someone, it doesn't feel special. It doesn't feel like you know what they need solved. Whereas if you call a dentist and you're talking to them and you're saying, talking to the office manager and saying, we clean dentist offices like yours. We know the challenge that you have because of, you insert all the little things that are special about them. That helps build trust. Also, if you have a website, if you're a new company, you may not, but if you do have a website, you can go through and someone's looking for you, they find you, and you don't just do office cleaning, you actually clean dentist offices, you clean daycares, you clean, whatever the case is. So it's really important for targeting. The other thing is once you start doing that and cleaning a number of them, then you can call out, you can say, I'm cleaning a number of your competitors' space, I'm cleaning people who have challenges just like you, and I know how to solve those issues. So it's great also for getting testimonials. So then someone comes to your website or you're talking to them and you can send them a link to a customer that's just like them who you're helping out. So it's really important to do that. It also helps keep you focused on, as you grow your company, who you're looking for and how you can approach them. So the next thing is, now that you know why it's important, is how do you do it? So if you're already running your business and you have a number of clients, you can just write them down and look at the industries that they're in. So for us, when we were a cleaning company, daycares, marketing agencies, dentist office were otherwise in fitness centers and gyms. Those were things that we realized, and honestly we didn't know at the beginning. We were just taking any contracts that came our way, any leads, and closing them. Once we realized that, we started putting lists together, which there's a video on that as well, building these lists of all the dentist offices in the cities that we were cleaning. We were Googling it and getting those lists created, and we were very focused, and then we kept winning more and more and more. So it's a great way to stay focused. If you don't currently clean for anybody and you're just starting out your business, what you can do is talk to your friends. There's got to be somebody that you know. There has to be a place that you're shopping. You could be taking your cat to the vet. I don't know. There has to be somewhere that you go in that you can see there's slightly different needs in their space that you can research, interview them, talk to people, and find out what pain do they have, what challenge do they have with other cleaning companies, and you can go in hyper-focused and solve that. It's a great way to really start to build your book of business. It worked very well for us. It's worked well for a lot of people that we've coached and helped out. So hope that helps and gives you some an idea of why it's important. And there's a worksheet that goes along with this that can help you target the pain. Again, looking forward to win that next contract with you. Any feedback, let us know.